While most of us are out here debating between brick, stone, or some new high-tech material for our dream home, the Amish are cutting down their own trees and hammering together houses that'll last generations. And here's the kicker, they build them faster than most modern construction projects, without a single brick in sight. Now, here's where things get really interesting. While most Amish communities stick to their centuries-old methods, a few are starting to sneak in something unexpected: bricks. I know, it's like seeing your grandpa trade his horse for a Tesla. But don't worry, bricklayers are still in the minority. The majority of Amish builders stick with their motto, if it ain't broke, don't brick it. So why skip bricks in the first place? Because when you've got an army of skilled neighbors ready to raise your house in a weekend, with traditions older than America itself, who needs bricks? Oh, and the price tag? Let's just say an Amish home costs significantly less than those cookie-cutter houses you see sprouting up in suburban neighborhoods. Let's break down what makes an Amish home so unique. First up, materials. The Amish predominantly use wood and stone. No bricks in sight. It's not just any wood, it's locally sourced, homegrown, and prepared by hand. Picture this, a group of skilled Amish craftsmen, hand-picking trees, cutting them down, and transforming them into beautiful timber. That's what I call dedication. Over 90% of Amish homes are primarily wooden. Even in places where brick is the norm, they stick to their roots. It's like going to a pizza place and ordering a salad bowl, but it works. Now let's talk about structure. When building a home, the Amish have a clear mantra: structure first, style later. They start by laying down a wooden frame, and this is no quick fix. Instead of prefabricated materials thrown together like a house of cards, they use hand-sawn wooden beams meticulously assembled. Building a frame like this isn't just about precision, it's a community effort. Friends and family come together, bringing their unique skills to the table. And yeah, it's a serious job, but there's plenty of laughter. The jokes fly as fast as the hammers. The result? A sturdy, timeless structure that can weather storms, snow, and maybe even that overly enthusiastic family gathering. Fun fact, Amish framers are so good, they often get hired for major construction projects outside their own communities. Imagine framing a skyscraper without using a single power tool. Speaking of power tools, or the lack of them, the Amish rely on non-electric hand tools like saws, mallets, and hand drills. You'd think using old school tools would slow them down, right? Nope. These guys can build a house just as fast as anyone using modern power tools. Every joint, every cut, every nail is part of their personal touch. It's like watching a master musician play an instrument they've perfected over a lifetime. When it comes to the walls, forget bricks. The Amish use wooden panels, shingles, or siding. The best part? They insulate their homes with eco-friendly materials like straw and wool. Forget foam insulation, straw has been keeping homes warm for centuries, way before going green was cool. Now, let's talk about roofing. Amish roofs are typically steep and built to laugh in the face of snowstorms. Using materials like wooden shingles or metal sheets, these roofs are made to last. And they're energy efficient to keeping homes cool in the summer and warm in the winter. So, how do these homes function without electricity? Simple. The Amish maximize natural light with large, strategically placed windows. And when the sun goes down, they use gas lamps for a cozy, warm atmosphere. No Wi-Fi, no problem water, that's hand-pumped from a well. And while the rest of us are stressing out over Wi-Fi outages and cordless drill batteries dying, the Amish are living the unplugged life, focusing on what really matters: community, family, and craftsmanship. And let's not forget the cost. An Amish home, it costs between $50,000 and $70,000. That's less than many people spend on a new car. No fancy technology, no skyrocketing electric bills, just a solid, affordable home that lasts for generations. So next time you're dreaming of building your own home, think about this: do you really need bricks and gadgets? Or do you just need a hammer, a community, and some good old-fashioned craftsmanship,